For the Boost-C cable, you will need a Type-C mobile device, Swivl C-Series robot, standard USB charger, and a Boost-C cable. Step 1. Connect your mobile device with the USB-C joined end of the Boost-C adapter. Step 2. Connect the Boost-C adapter to the micro USB port on the base of the Swivl Robot, as shown. Step 3. Plug in the charging cable into the charging port. Then use the floor stand clip to secure the cables near the top of the stand. Make sure to leave some extra cable slack to allow the Swivl Robot to rotate. Please limit the amount of rotations to 2 to avoid damaging the base or the boost adapter. If using on a tabletop, leave a 6-inch radius to avoid collisions with objects on the table. To add a more secure fit, use the Boost-C cable strap as shown. Connect your cables to the USB charger and plug it in. Now you're ready to power on the Swivl Robot and your markers.